In this lesson, I'm going to help you evaluate a numerical expression, and it involves fractions. Okay, so if we have a problem like this that says evaluate the expression, write the answer as a fraction or as a whole or mixed number, and we have 2/5 divided by 1/3 minus 2/5. So you have to remember your order of operations, okay? So you know that you have to start with the division first and use brackets to help you. So we know we put brackets here, we know that we're going to do this operation first. So when dividing fractions, you have to use the rule keep, change, flip. Okay? So you keep this the same. So there it is, 2/5. Then you change the division. The division becomes a multiplication. And then you flip the 1/3. So it becomes 3/1. And that's the rule when you're dividing two fractions. And if you want to know why that is, I did a video that explains it, and you'll find that in the description if you're interested. So now we have to bring our minus 2/5 down so we don't forget about it, okay? Otherwise we'll get the wrong answer. So now we multiply the two fractions inside the brackets. And multiplying fractions is pretty easy. You just multiply the two numerators together and you multiply the two denominators together. So 3 times 2 is 6, 5 times 1 is 5. So we have 6/5. Okay? So again, now we bring down our minus 2/5, so don't forget about it. Now we can simply subtract the fractions since the denominators are the same. Denominators are the same, so we could just do a simple subtraction of the numerators. So 6 minus 2 is 4/5. So it's 4. So then we put our denominator in, and it's 4/5. And that's it. That's how you do that problem. Don't worry if you don't get that right away. Anyone can do this. You just probably need to watch this video a couple more times. Again, take a look at the description. You'll find links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this exact lesson, to this exact video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.